this is the brand new Apple Watch Series 4, and in this video I'm going to give you a hands-on first impressions with this device. Alright guys, so we're looking at the brand new Series 4 Apple Watch in our hand, and this is beautiful. Check this out, absolutely stunning. This is the gold finish. So 40mm here and 44mm over here. And I have the Series 3, so you can see that actually it doesn't look that much more bigger, but you have much better screen real estate on this display here. And I just want to show you this on the wrist. Check that out with that gold Milanese strap, band, whatever you want to call it. Absolutely, you look like Goldfinger, man. That is stunning. Really, really nice. These are the new dynamic wallpapers, right?
Correct. Yep. So this is, we have one that's fire. This one's called Vapor. It's popular. Water, of course. And then this is the Breathe new watch face, which kind of reminds you to take deep breaths. It's kind of overall wellness. Yeah, this has more information in one place. You can also modify or customize each corner. You can, change that to different applications. It's nice. It could be just about anything. A stopwatch, time of day, next calendar event, etc. But yeah, less volume overall, which is great. It's a little bit taller, a little bit wider, but thinner. So it has a beautiful, and of course as you said, the screen is really making full use of the overall case design.
And also we've got a new designed digital crown now, so this is haptic. There's no more mechanical element to it. And then the back there, that redesigned, what are they calling it? Sensor?
Yeah, so you have a heart rate sensor. You also, the new back is ceramic.
Okay.
With a sapphire material for the heart sensor itself.
Okay.
But the whole back is ceramic, which adds for the cellular connectivity. It improves that. And then also, obviously, very durable material, and then the electrodes for the ECG are embedded in the watch back as well.
And this is one of the big announcements today, the fact that this is now a portable ECG device, essentially, on a smartwatch like this.
ECG will be available later this year, so we can't show that to you today, unfortunately. But it will be coming through a software update over the air.
Okay, that's fine. So that's coming later on in the year.